After we've exhausted the non-operative options in the treatment of hip arthritis, we get into this discussion about surgery. And really, the most durable option is a hip replacement. And the good news is that hip replacement is an excellent surgery. And we look at the success of hip replacement, it's close to 95% successful. So, and the purpose of the surgery is really to get people back to doing the things that they want to do. And we have more higher demand patients who are wanting to get back to things like running, biking, hiking, even skiing. And our goal is to provide them a surgery that can allow them to have that quality of life. It makes my job very enjoyable in that I frequently am able to really give people a quality of life back that they haven't been able to have.